Good morning, friends, family, and viewers. And this is Jerry back at Butler Family Farm. We are on the road to get our newest family member picked up in Oklahoma. We're going down to Chickasaw Casino to meet somebody to pick her up and bring her home. So stay tuned and watch, and we'll record the trip. And we're just leaving. We're just actually on the road from the house, headed towards Oklahoma now. All right, folks, we're coming into McAllister now. We're only 9 minutes away from meeting our contact, and we'll record the contact so people can see who we're getting from, what we're talking about. So just stick with us. It'll be just a couple more minutes. Yep, there it is.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Okay, we're pulling up, and we're looking. We're pulling into the casino. What side is she on?
Your destination is on the left.
What side is she on? Oh, there she is. We'll go down here and turn around. I can go the back road behind. I guess I can go behind here. Can I?
Don't look like it.
Nope, I can't. Well, I can make a U-turn. There she is, the new person of the family.
How sweet! How sweet! Oh, how sweet. So sweet. Let me give you this leash, and then I have the adoption agreement for y'all to sign.
Okay.
Good girl, look, she loves him already. Oh my goodness.
We got a collar for you and a leash so you can get that one back.
Okay. Yeah, because it wouldn't be long before she would outgrow that little collar she's got.
That is Posey, but her name's gonna be changed to Daisy.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna stop this so we can sign papers. Kathy says she's rode the car fine. We're gonna see if she'll get up and sit in Lee's lap. Come on, baby, get in here. Good girl. So anyways, we're gonna head home now, and we'll do more videos. We stopped. Oh, there she goes. Stop for so I could use the restroom, and I put her out here on the grass, and she finally went. So now we can load her back up and go another hour home. But now she's a Missouri dog. She's no longer a Texas dog. She's now a Missouri dog. She's cute. 17 weeks old. She's really getting to be pretty. All ready to load up?
Yep.
Okay, we made it home. So now we got to do introductions. Robert's working on getting her out. She said, I just got out of the car a little while ago. What the heck is going on here?
He's not too sure of the jump down.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, I remember you, lady.
My voice?
I remember you.
Remember my voice? Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Daisy.
She got a little bigger, didn't she?
Yeah. Yeah. Aw. You have to protect that.
That's what I told him already. Put away, keep the other dogs from getting it. Okay, well,
I might just leave it in my chest until
that's-
she's in my room.
That's fine. You want to go get Ace and let Ace out and see? They introduce Ace to her first.
I'm gonna go sit at this bench.
She sure is cute, isn't she? She really is cute, Lee.
Yeah, that skeleton's not your bones to chew on.
You know what your dad said about the name Daisy? It makes him think of sour cream. You used to dollop a daisy, you know, those commercials. Have
Okay.
you started calling her that?
To be honest with you, that's where I got it from.
Oh, is it?
Because
Hey.
that's the sour cream I got.
Yeah.
So, hold on, who's coming? She says, who's coming?
Nice.
Oh, he's like a tail wagging. Little girl, Ace. Look at it. Oh, his feather, it cackles her
Yeah,
up.
little girl, leave her alone. She's
Ace, little girl.
Nice.
Ace. Ace. Stop. Oh, his hair standing all in. Get a little plaything. I can play with Ace.
Hey! Wait.
Leave it. Don't be. You gotta be nice.
there's only dominance on the human part, not the.
Where you going? No, I'm done. I'm done.
He hasn't feed yet. He's been in the house all day. What do you think, Daisy?
Well, he's a big boy. He's trying to push me down. He's okay. I'm done.
Yep, there you go.
Yep. She goes, hey. See, I'm talking to you. Her long tail, Susan. His tail is wag, 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 wag.
Your ears are still up, so. Okay. So,
Okay, so now what are we gonna do?
I don't know. You're giving directions.
No, wasn't.
Yeah, you are. It's okay. I'm not.
We can go in the house, or you can bring each dog outside. That's up to you.
What do you want to do, Lee? Robert?
Just go get Hunter and see how he reacts.
Outside?
Yeah, out here.
Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't call her very well.
Let it go, honey. Hey, be nice. Hey,
Hey, be nice.
you be nice. His tail's wagging
Why'd she cry?
because she's just excited.
Oh.
Go over there.
Hey, back up. Back up a little bit. Back up. Don't get in the face.
She had there his hair's going down now.
Yeah, he has this.
It's a good girl.
It's okay. It's your playmate, your buddy,
Tail wagging.
your replacement.
That's not nice.
The Daisy girl, yeah. It's
See, that's it.
okay.
He's a big boy too.
We're not going to let these guys hurt you. If anything, you got priority. You are so dang cute. You're like Max is cute.
Yeah, Max won't take
Cause she smells like the other dogs still, I'm sure.
Yeah. So what other dogs did Kathy have with her?
Good.
Oh, I thought you said she had 3 people. Oh. There were 3 in the litter is what you meant. Okay. So maybe
She's about half his size almost.
So maybe go walk her walk around just right here, Lee.
Okay, we'll pause this for the next dog.
Okay.
No, you won't.
That's right, because the house ain't getting fixed.
That's on video too. Lily, look at her tail, her little nub. Hey, what's your head feather? Your hair up for? Ears back.
Okay, all right. She's your size.
Almost. She's almost your size, huh?
When Lily first popped up,
Hey, come
her
here.
tail was just stiff.
Come here. Okay. Look. Little girl, Lily. It's another girl.
Where's the collar? It was in the bag.
It's in the back.
See? That's not bad, huh? Now we got the big one.
It's a puppy. Lily, it's a puppy.
See, I remember I had puppies once. All right, Jewel's coming out.
Don't jump on her. Don't jump on her. Get away from me. She don't want to have nothing to do with it. But who else going to do? The baby.
She wants to play with her.
No, she won't.
It's a baby, Jewel. Look at she's a third of your size. Not even a third. Hey, Daddy's baby girl. That's a good girl.
You don't even know what you're doing, Daisy.
Okay. That's all the dog introduction. Now we got cats. They're in the house.
The dogs can go back outside.
Yeah, they can.
Come on, Joe. Joe, come on.
All of them can go outside.
Joe, come on.
Goldie coming in. Hey, Goldie. What is this? What is this? I thought I got rid of a few dogs, and here comes another one. What do you think, Goldie? Who's over there? Nobody? She found Goldie.
Goldie's like, what is that?
She said, oh no. She said, oh crap. I thought I got rid of a couple of them. She's standing up and she's puffing up. Oh, look at her. But I don't know. I want that. I don't want to have anything to do with her. I've been around cats. I know what they do.
She has.
Yeah. Kathy has 3.
Oh.
What do you think, Daisy? Don't have nothing to do with that cat, do you?
Okay, does she have... Not now, it's too late.
Oh yeah, he's still there. He's stiffer. Zippy. Daisy, that's Zippy. Zippy the kitty cat. Look at he says, oh, I need a new friend. That's all. So, Lee, what do you want to say in closing?
Glad she's here.
Thanks for what? Here, I'll do it. I'm a closer.
Okay, you're opener and a closer. Go for it, baby.
That's our video with our new member, Daisy. You will have to stay tuned
To watch her grow.
To watch her grow. And to do that, if you would subscribe, you'll get notifications, the videos coming out from our channel. And we thank you for watching us. Have a great day.
Goodbye.